How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So first, just open your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into account, and always make sure that you have not enabled the professional mode. So if you have enabled the professional mode, you will not be able to lock your profile, and that is the only way you can actually hide someone or prevent someone from taking the screenshots on your Facebook. So first thing first, just head over to your three dot icon over here once you're inside your profile, and if you have turned on the professional mode, you can simply turn this off by clicking on the turn professional mode off button over here, which will be appear over here. And once you do that, just tap on this three dot icon once again and just click on this lock profile button and just lock your profile. So now once you lock your profile, as you can see, my profile has been locked. Now there is no way for anyone to take a screenshot except yourself. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.